Yeah, baby, welcome to Chef Bark's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here, today, this little video here, it's not a long video, but I think it's a very important video. This is of the Latanier Cookers September 2024 cookout. Hey, where else? Palmetto State Park in Abbeville, Louisiana. Listen, they had members of 5 different Girl Scout groups, which is awesome, awesome, awesome. We had a book author over there with her book, signing for book, you know, just signing and everything, doing their thing. Everybody was doing their thing. Numerous cooks. I mean, we fed over 250 people. It was a good day. Anyway, this is the second Saturday of the month. Abbeville, Louisiana, Palmetto State Park. Show up if you can, you'll really enjoy it. Hey, try to join us if you can. Hot dang, take it easy. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh, yes.